Gotta loosen up. Hey, what's up? So yesterday, a couple days ago, whatever, was National Tequila Day, and today is Thirsty Thursday. Woo! So I'm gonna make 3 of my favorite tequila drinks. Let's get it going. All right, so today we're making 3 of my favorite drinks. One is tequila sunrise. First thing you need is tequila, orange juice, and grenadine. My second drink I'm making today is a blue margarita. I know I fucked up the first one, but forget about that. Today's a new day. And what you need is tequila, blue curacao, and sweet and sour. And I bought some today. The next drink I'm making is a Paloma, La Paloma.
What? What the fuck?
And all you need is tequila, sweet and sour, and squirt, you know, grapefruit drink, like a pop type thing, or grapefruit juice, and sweet and sour mixed up together. Bang, boom. First drink I'm making is blue margarita. Yes. Damn, I forgot the ice.
Everybody taught you nothing, boy.
Alright, so the first drink I'm making is margarita. Tequila. Blue curacao, curacao, same thing. Sweet and sour. Oh, this shit might take so goddamn good. Alright, shake. Blue margarita. Alright, the next drink is tequila sunrise. This drink you don't need a shaker for, so we're just gonna put the shit in the cup. Tequila. I like mine kinda heavy because it's a lot of orange juice. Next is grenadine. Just layer it on top, it's gonna flow right to the bottom. There we go. Tequila sunrise. And the last drink is a Paloma. I just heard of it like today, so if it tastes like shit, my bad. But all you need is tequila, grapefruit soda, Sprite, you know, squirt. I said Sprite. Sponsor me, Sprite. I meant squirt. And sweet and sour. I want to make it look fancy though, so I'm going to put some grenadine in it. Oh shit. Man, it tastes like shit. And it's not the Paloma no more. Sorry, I'm not Mexican, but happy National Tequila Day. Cheers. Alright, y'all Mexicans know what y'all doing. This shit takes bomb as fuck. Fuck! So I forgot an intro, I forgot an outro again. You know, that happens. So, drink responsibly. Don't drink all 3 drinks at one time, because I'm going to. And bye. Cut. Yeah. And then try to float the grenadine on top. It's not going to float because the grenadine is going to sink to the bottom. So it's going to look like some blah, 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 blah.